You don't need to do any analysis. You don't need to, check any chart. All you need to do is just to, activate your bots, and the bot will be to analyze the market and be trading for you up and down, and you'll be making money for yourself. Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. On today's video, you are going to learn something new on Binance.com. But before I do that, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button so that you'll be getting notification whenever we drop a new content like this. And if you are already on it, you are welcome. So on Binance today, you're going to learn something new, right? So now what you're going to do, if you don't have Binance account before, just go to the description below. You're going to see the first link there. Click on it. You see the registration. Click on sign up and fill the form. So once you do that, then make sure that you verify your account. All those things is actually very simple. Even these days, you need to go through a lot of stress before you verify your Binance account if you're in Nigeria. You can quickly make use of your BVN to verify your account. But if you're in other part of the country, you can make use of driver's license, any government issued card in your country to verify your account. After you have done that, guys, what you need to do now is just to log into the account and make sure that you fund your account with USDT. Now, what I want to show you right now, I'm still going to make part 2 of this, because what I want to show you today is just a manual trading. And the next video, that I'm going to make about what I want to show you today is going to be an automated and make a lot of money from it every day. Yes. Now, what you're going to do right here is just to come to the derivative leverage token. Can you see leverage tokens? So click on leverage tokens. When you click on leverage tokens, so this is another set of trading that you can actually do on Binance. You can see Binance leveraged tokens. Enjoy increased leverage without risk of liquidation. So if you want to know more about this Binance leverage tokens, I will refer you to this link. I'm going to post it inside the description below, so just go through it so for you to see more information about it, right? So now what I'm going to, on this video today, I'm just going to show you how you can trade it. You can see that we have the same coin, like 1 inch up, 1 inch up, 1 inch down, XLM down, XLM up, sushi down, sushi up. So we have different coins of up and down. That is, so if you predict that, okay, for example, LTC down, you click on LTC down. If you trade it now, it means you said you want to make money when LTC is going down, and you can even make up to 1.787x. That is the money that you put in multiplied by 1.78x. Then if you say up, that is when the price is going up, you can say plus 2.43x. that is multiplied by your money that you use to trade, right? So now, how can we now trade this? You cannot just open it like this. You need to do some little, you need to know about little analysis. That is, if you don't know analysis, it means you may not be able to trade this, except if you want to buy up and buy down like edge. So, but if you cannot do that, and even when you are doing edge, it means when you buy up and down together, when the market is going up, that definitely then we will be losing on downs or other, while making profits on buy other, right? So at the end of the day, you might not be able to make any profit, but if you know how to analyze, then you are good to go. But on today's video, let me quickly show you this. This is TradingView.com. I'm going to put the link on the description below, so you can also click on it or go to the browser and type it straight away. Chart. This platform can see charts on how you can do the simple analysis. Though I have a personal script that I'm actually using for to see when the market want to go up or want to go down. So what you need to do next is just to click on Get Started right here. So when you click on Get Started, so you're gonna see they have monthly, but you don't need to use, they have free because I don't use any premium stuff, right? I'm using free stuff, so you don't need to use all this. All right, you don't need to use all this. You can see try free basic, so you use basic accounts, like you don't pay money at all because you don't need any premium stuff there. Okay, so what you need to do is just to click free basic, then you click enter your email address, you enter the password, you click here, then you enter I'm not a robot, then you click on create account. That's how it works. So now let me quickly log in. As you can see, this is the chart right here. So when you log in, so you're gonna come to, you may not open like this. So what you're gonna do is you can just say /chart, right? Once you say /chart, and just say /chart, that is trading view /chart, so it will open a chart for you. But it's because I've been using this, so it will automatically open to this place, right? So now what I'm gonna do next right here is that want to see the coin that I want to trade. Now let me show you something. Anything that way, whenever you do not see the 24 hours changes, like all this place, it means they cannot trade then. Okay, you cannot trade all these ones now because if the market is not available now. Click here, see there are no trading markets, right? So now, but anywhere you now see the changes of percentage when either red or green, so you can trade those ones, right? You can trade those ones, you can trade all these ones. Now, so and there are too many. So now there is a particular market that I've been trying to monitor right here. So let me just go to my chart here. So when I get to my chart here, so I'm going to click here to see the market that I've been trying to monitor for some times now, right? So now I'm going to come to crypto. When I get to crypto, so I'm trying to check on Alice. There is a particular coin called Alice, so I can see Alice USDT. Okay, so when I get to Alice USDT, right, I get to Alice USDT right here. So I have a script I'm using. So what I'm going to do right now is this. Let me just take out my script. There we go. So now this is the script that I'm using. So I'm expecting this market, I'm expecting down from this market right here. Okay, I'm expecting this down from this market. You can see when it said buy, so it's already buy, so I'm expecting sell, right? So when I see sell, then I'm gonna come to the chart right here and to to sell here. Okay, so now for example, now let me just do it this way, that of let me just click on this so that I'll be able to go to the main market to see the Alice there. So when you click on that, it will take you to the main chart where you can buy and sell, right? And also see other coins. So now you come to this place right here. Now I'm going to click it, place my mouse on it, and see that it shows. So now what I'm going to do, so I want to check Alice. When that one is ready, you can see the Alice has come out. So now you please click on Alice USDT. Okay, when you see Alice USDT, you're gonna see that right here. So if you are buying, if you want to buy up, like for example now, for example, suppose that I saw this signal when it came out here, I will have said, okay, I want to buy right here. So put it on buy. Okay, I put it on buy. Then if I want to say I want to sell, right? So in sell camp, I'm going to pull it right. I want to sell, then you put it on sell right here. I'm going to put it on markets, then I'm going to say sell, then how many that you want to sell. Okay, so the thing that I want to know here is that we have spots. So if your money is on spots, it means you can see I have $100 on spots right here. Then if your money, if you want to trade cross, that is, you must trade, send that money to Binance future. Okay, so you can actually use Binance. You can see up to 3x. That's up to 3x. That's the leverage that you can use. Then they've isolated up to 5x, and see up to isolated. You can trade either on spot or on futures. Okay, now if you want to trade on future, like I love cross, okay, but you must have, before you do this, before you trade, it won't liquidate just like normal Binance future. Okay, so now what you're going to do is just make sure that you put it on normal. Normal, that is the money that I have there, for 3x of the money that I have. For example, I want to trade with $10, so it means I can trade up to $30. Why I even have $10, right? Because it's 3x leverage. Okay, now, so this is exactly what I quickly want to show you guys. this morning, and so just go to the link right here to learn more about Binance leverage token, how you can trade Binance leverage token. So now, but in my next video, by God's grace, I'm going to show you how all this can be traded automatically. You don't need to do any analysis. You don't need to, check any chart. All you need to do is just to, activate your bots, and the bot will be to analyze the market and be trading for you up and down, and you'll be making money for yourself, right? I think that one is okay. So if you are expecting the bot, go to the comment section below and type in I want it, right? Just type in I want the bot. Okay, so if you do that, so that one will prompt me to make the video to see how you can get the bots and activate it. Then the bot will start trading for you. And trust me guys, with the bots, this bot can do up to 50% of your capital in a month, right? But the money is going to be your balance. You're not going to give anybody your money, and you will not deposit money into that bot. The money is going to be in your Binance account. You just need to connect the Binance account with the bot through API key. Then the bot, they activate the bot will now start trading on your behalf when you are sleeping. You don't need even to check the market at all, but the bot will be checking the market and enter the trade. So that is what I want you to know this morning, right guys? But I just want, maybe you do not know anything about Binance leverage tokens before. I just want you to know and be aware that something great is coming about this Binance leverage token. Thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button and the notification bell so that whenever I drop a content like this, you'll be the first person to watch it.